Okay, so this is part 2. Okay, so here's the beets. These are bigger than the last ones, and they have lots of this green stuff, and actually the beet greens are really quite delicious. You don't really want to eat those stems, but I guess you could. Okay, and then green peppers. So I have 6 green peppers. And some are small and some are big. Actually, I think I might have more than 6 green peppers. Which, really, I have lots of green peppers. I don't know if I was supposed to get all these green peppers, but guess what? I guess I'm eating green peppers. Okay, sweet potatoes. So, that's kind of what those look like. Tomatoes. Okay. They gave us, I have red potatoes this week. Limes. Potatoes. Cabbage. Kind of medium to small. Onions, pretty standard size on the onions. Let's see, really huge green jalapenos, so this is like really big. Okay. And I should have some cream cheese stuff in here. Another sweet potato. There was an apple right before that. Okay, I'm going to take this, pause this, and then move the box.